Hey, it's me again. Just giving a shout out to Kara. She's like one of my best friends, 'cause we both love this guy. Oh yeah. But we said when next month, when it's not April, it's gonna be May, and he's there. So let's just hope that we can have April all year long so I can see his beautiful face. Okay. So bye. Wait, is this thing still on?